Hello my foodie friends! Today on Sip Bite Go, I'm going to take you in the kitchen and share with you how to make this delicious flank steak marinade recipe to sear, grill, or broil finish. In just a few steps and only 5 minutes, you'll have a wonderful marinade to add to your steak. You could use skirt steak or flank steak in this recipe. So hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and let's get in the kitchen and whip up something delicious. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel here on YouTube and at sipbitego.com. So about 1.5 pounds of flank steak, which is one of these pieces, is good for feeding 2 people, or you might be able to get 3 or 4 people's worth of tacos if you're making some marinated flank steak tacos with this recipe. So the ingredients are pretty simple to do this. Most of them are pantry staples that you add in here. It has a base of olive oil and soy sauce and honey and vinegar. I use champagne vinegar, but you could use red wine or white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar. And then there are some other flavors like garlic, ginger, red pepper, and you whisk all the flavors together, and then it's time to reserve a little bit. And this is my secret because I love to have a little bit extra marinade to put on the steak after it's done cooking. But you want to take out that reserved marinade before you add the raw beef into the marinating bowl. So let it all marinate together for about 2 hours up to overnight, and then it's time to finish it on the grill and the broiler. And you can get directions for those at sipbitego.com, or here I'm going to show you with the help of my husband. You can see his hands in here. He is showing us how to cast iron sear marinated flank steak. So what he did is he did about 3 to 4 minutes on each side and added some olive oil so it wouldn't stick to the pan, and every couple of minutes he checked with the timer once it was near completion. And then when it's done, you just let it rest for about 10 minutes and then slice it up and put some of that delicious reserved marinade over the top. Give it a little drizzle, add some fresh chopped cilantro, and here I decided to serve it with some guacamole on the side. This is a really delicious meal. Now before I let you go, I just have a really quick little sauce to show you. It would be really delicious on this steak. Alright, so this is my creamy jalapeno ranch sauce, and it's a delicious sauce for steaks. You can find the recipe for it at the Sip Bite Go channel here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, my goal is to make sure you're confident in making this easy flank steak marinade, so let me know when you give it a try. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!